A happy plover-bird couple lived by the seashore. One day, the female asked her mate where she could lay her eggs. The male said, "Right here on the sand by the sea." The female worried, "But what about the waves?" "Don't worry," said the male. "The sea can't touch our eggs." The sea overheard them. She felt insulted by the plover's underestimation. A few days later, she laid her eggs, feeling secure. But the sea plotted revenge. The sea sent big waves to destroy their home. The female bird cried, seeing her nest destroyed. The male bird was shocked and saddened. They prayed to God for help, their voices filled with despair. Suddenly, God appeared in front of them, radiating light. The birds told God the entire incident, tears in their eyes. They explained the sea's cruel actions. After hearing them, God understood their plight. He was moved by their faith and innocence. God commanded the sea to return the eggs. The sea, humbled by God's power, obeyed instantly. The waves gently brought back the eggs, unharmed. The birds were overjoyed and thanked God profusely. They rebuilt their nest with renewed hope. From that day on, the plovers respected the sea. They understood the power of nature's forces. The sea learned a lesson about humility and fairness. She vowed to never misuse her strength again. God smiled upon them, pleased with their understanding. He blessed the plovers with a safe and happy life. The plover couple lived peacefully by the shore. They taught their chicks to respect all of creation. The sea watched over them, a silent guardian. And so, harmony was restored between the birds and the sea. Remember to respect the forces beyond your control. And always have faith in the power of prayer.